Dear National Chairman, resignation from People's Democratic Party (PDP) and withdrawal from the presidential contest. I am writing to intimate you of my resignation from the People's Democratic Party (PDP), which was conveyed to the chairman of Agulu Ward 2, Anyocha Local Government Area, Anambra, effective Friday 20th May 2022. Consequently, I am by this letter informing you of my withdrawal for the PDP presidential primaries. It has been a great honor to contribute to nation-building efforts through our party. Unfortunately, recent developments within our party make it practically impossible to continue participating and making such constructive contributions. Our national challenges are deep-seated and require that we each make profound sacrifices towards rescuing our country. My commitment to rescuing Nigeria remains firm, even if the route differs. I wish to thank you personally for your graciousness and leadership. I wish you well and best of luck in the service of country. Sincerely, Peter Obi, CON.
We came in just a few minutes ago to submit the official letter of resignation of His Excellency former Governor Peter Obi. Maybe I should say official letter of withdrawal from the presidential race and resignation from PDP. In actual fact, the resignation letter had already been written to his ward chairman as far back as 20th of this month. The national chairman, by this letter, is just being informed and being updated on development. You will recall that consistently, former Governor Peter Obi has repeatedly stated that he is not desperate to be president, but he is desperate to cause a change, to cause a redirection, to change the way the government of Nigeria is being run.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.